This song, Cecelia, is for our ongoing ukulele workshop and jam. We're going to be learning it in the next session. And we're in the key of G. It's pretty fast. We're doing kind of a rockabilly beat at 200 beats per minute. Woohoo! It's a 1-4-5. G, C, and D. Starting note is B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Celia, you're breaking my heart. You're shaking my confidence daily. Oh, Cecelia, I'm down on my knees. I'm begging you, please, to come home. Celia, you're breaking my heart. You're shaking